So does each set form a Pythagorean triple? Well, the first thing to note is that, well, they are all whole numbers. That's the first criteria for a Pythagorean triple, right? So now what we got to do is we got to check, does 4 squared plus 5 squared equal 6 squared? Or 16 plus 25 equals 36. And what we get here is 41 does not equal 36. So we can say, because they want us to explain, so we can say for this one, not, and let's say instead of not a right triangle, let's say not a Pythagorean triple. Because a squared plus b squared does not equal c squared. So that's the first one, and it is not. It doesn't work out. Okay, let's keep going. Let's take 10, 24, 25. Say, does 10 squared plus 24 squared equal 26 squared? 100 plus, it's 24 squared, 576 equals 26 squared is 676. Look at that. So then 676 does equal 676. And we would say, yes. Yes, it is a Pythagorean triple because a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, and then we'll do the last one over here. Let's try it. 15 squared plus 20 squared, does that equal 25 squared? Well, we've got 225 plus 400 equals 625, and 225 plus 400 is 625, so 625 equals 625. Yes, so we can say, oops, we can say here, yes, it is a Pythagorean triple because a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And let's see. Yeah, I guess that's it. Not much to this. I think that you all can see this. All you have to do is just essentially, do the math and see whether it works out. And in the first one it doesn't, so that's not. In the second two it does.